Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Baker Act. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why this is the one time you should actually believe what the staff at the facility are telling you. And so you know from if you've watched any of my other videos about the Baker Act, how passionate I am about it because, well, it happened to my family member too. And I was there when it went down. And I've been pretty adamant about the fact you shouldn't trust the folks in the Baker Act facility. However, there is one exception to that rule, and that is when the facility tells you that they plan to keep your loved one. I would believe them. I really would, because when they tell you that, they're saying to you, look, we're not going to let this person go. And that is one of the times that you really should trust what they're being told, what's being told to you. They're going to keep your loved one. They're telling you, we're building a case to keep your loved one. And obviously, if there are sufficient facts, sufficient evidence that your loved one actually met criteria, perhaps they were suicidal, perhaps they actually attempted suicide or self-harm, then yeah, they have a really great reason to keep you. And if you add in the fact that you may have health insurance, whether it's from, the federal government, whether it's, some type of veterans insurance or law enforcement insurance or a private insurance company, if you add that element in, they have a financial motive to want to keep you. So this is the one time when the facility tells you they want to keep your loved one. I'd believe them. They're probably not lying to you. And that is a very strong indicator that unless you want to get to a hearing and watch your loved one get sent, or detained for somewhere between the next, 0 and the next 6 months, the time to fight is now. And even if they ever actually file to keep your loved one, we can still get them out before there's a hearing. But if you wait until that hearing takes place and your loved one is ordered to be detained for an extended period of time, I'm telling you that it's much harder to get somebody out when that happens. It's not impossible, but it is difficult. And the reason for that is that when the judge has already had a hearing, the last thing the judge wants to do is go back and re-listen to your case. He or she has hundreds of other cases that are coming down the pipeline that he or she needs to hear. And they don't have time to come back and listen to yours because your loved one already had their day in court. And if for some reason you didn't hire the right lawyer to take care of that for you, too bad. The judge doesn't care. They're just too busy. It's as simple as that. So the time to fight is now. As soon as you find out that your loved one has been detained, I don't care what the facility is telling you at that point, that's when you have to fight. You can't wait until after the fact. So that's my 2 cents. This is the one time you should probably, almost certainly, definitely believe what the facility is telling you if they're telling you they want to keep your loved one. So with that said, I'd love a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.